Up to this large railroad station come buses, taxis, and private cars, carrying people who are going to travel by passenger train. If their train is not ready, they may stay in this large waiting room, walking about or sitting on big benches. They must go to the ticket window and get tickets before going to the train. Each one who rides on the train must buy a ticket to the place where he is going. A gateman looks at the tickets to be sure that each passenger is on his way to the right train. The train will be pulled by this big streamlined diesel-electric locomotive. Its engines are warming up, and inside the cab sits Mr. Schroeder, the engineer who has driven locomotives for many years.
All aboard! All aboard!
The train must start exactly on time, and now Mr. Schroeder must go to work. Wider and wider the throttle is open. The engineer knows exactly how fast he can go with safety. It is safe now to pass the signal. The passengers have comfortable seats where they may sit comfortably and chat with each other while they enjoy such sights as this beautifully winding stream. The river valley is level, so it is an easy place to build level tracks. Now it approaches a tunnel, a big hole bored through a high, steep hill. Up in his cab, Engineer Schroeder must watch the track ahead. The safety of all the passengers depends on his skill and watchfulness.